Hello everyone. So we are discussing previous year NEET questions of the chapter Plant Kingdom and the topic Gymnosperms. So the question is, given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. तो बेटा ये एक assertion reason based question है जिसमें assertion A हमें बोल रहा है कि in Gymnosperms the pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and carried by air currents. Gymnosperms में pollen grains माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम से रिलीज होते हैं और उनको एयर कैरी करती है. And reason R is air currents carry the pollen grains to the mouth of the archegonia where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tube is not formed. Reason R बोल रहा है कि air currents pollen grains को archegonia के mouth के पास लेके जाते हैं जहाँ पे male gametes discharge हो जाते हैं और pollen tube नहीं बनती. अब इन दोनों statements को study करके हमें given options में से correct option choose करना है जिसमें option A is both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. B is both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is correct but R is not correct. D, A is not correct but R is correct. And this question was asked in the year 2023. Clear बेटा? अब इसके लिए हम NCERT देख लेते हैं. NCERT में Gymnosperms में लिखा हुआ है The pollen grain is released from the microsporangium. तो पहली बात तो हमारी correct हो गई कि pollen grains microsporangium से release होते हैं. Then they are carried in air currents. वो air currents से carry होते हैं, ये भी ठीक हो गया. And come in contact with the opening of the ovules borne on megasporophylls. The pollen tube carrying the male gametes grows towards archegonia in the ovules and discharge their contents near the mouth of the archegonia. यानी Gymnosperms में भी pollen tube बनती है, तो reason R गलत हो जाएगा. So the correct option will be option C. A is correct but R is not correct. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.